Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about Smoky Quartz, the stone of stability. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be doing that by studying the supportive and healing benefits of Smoky Quartz, the top 4 benefits of working with this particular quartz gemstone. And Smoky Quartz, it's a stone that is a gentle dark, but do keep in mind that the darkness of Smoky Quartz can vary. That it can be quite dark and it can be quite light, and it's still the same. Still Smoky Quartz, and you'll still get the same benefit from it. So if you do feel like Smoky Quartz is a stone you'd like to work with more, there will be a guided meditation posted later on, and I also do have Smoky Quartz gemstone and bracelet sets and Smoky Quartz pendants available in my online crystal healing store, and I'll put the link to that below. And also, if you'd like to start interacting with me a little bit more, when I do receive 5,000 subscribers, I have decided that I will start doing weekly live sessions to give you the opportunities to ask anything that you want about gemstones, whether it's meditation or gemology, rock tumbling, the best scenarios for those stones. So if you're watching this video and you haven't already subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button and we can start getting those live sessions up and running. I just want to make sure that I have enough people there that can ask enough questions and make it really nice and interactive. So today, the top 4 benefits of Smoky Quartz. And the first benefit of Smoky Quartz is that it provides grounding. And what is grounding? This is a term that's used often in meditation and yoga circles and isn't often well defined, but grounding is the ability to bring ourselves back to the present moment, into the here and now, to notice our current surroundings, to touch the ground, to be here. That's what it means for grounding. And usually when we're standing on the ground, barefoot on the ground, we're pretty present in that moment, which may be why they call it grounding. But Smoky Quartz and the other black gemstones, they do provide that sense of focus, bringing us into the here and now. So if you've been feeling like scattered or daydreaming or kind of adrift, then working with one of the dark gemstones will help you focus, will help bring you here now and be able to concentrate on what's going on with you right now. And this has to do with the black gemstones' deep connections with the foot and the root chakras and their strong connection with the earth energy. And if you haven't seen those videos that I've done about the foot and root chakras, then I'll link those in the eye above. But if you're feeling a little too scattered in life, or particularly at the end of the workday, that's when it happens for me, then working with Smoky Quartz will definitely help bring some focus and attention to your life. And the second benefit of working with Smoky Quartz is for energetic protection. Now, this is a stone that creates an energetic shield around you to protect you from the negative energies of others, from any dark entities that may be entering in your life, or dark attachments or intentions for other people. It creates a shield that prevents those energies from attaching to you or accumulating on you. It also transmutes negative energies into positive energy. So smoky quartz is an excellent stone to work with. If you feel that you live or work in a toxic environment or a really stressful environment, keeping smoky quartz with you in those environments, especially say it's at work, wearing it with you at work will not only help transmute the energies that are directly around you into positive energies and keep you uplifted during the day, despite the environment that you're in, but it will also prevent you from being bogged down by that energy and it affecting your mood. It also prevents you from taking it home. So this is a complete and utter shield from negative energies and intentions and moods in your direct environment. The third benefit of smoky quartz is that it's like a warm, soft security blanket. It helps us feel comforted when we feel low and stressed, anxious, or depressed. Its energy wraps around us and holds us and reminds us that we're not alone. It helps us feel more secure. It helps us feel a little more hopeful as it starts to transmute those energies into something more positive and optimistic. This is a really excellent stone if you're grieving or in mourning, because it's just incredibly protective of your healing space, and it helps you sit with those emotions, those really intense emotions, without getting overwhelmed. You can still be with them and process them and not be completely shut down by them or overwhelmed by such intense feelings. It really is just so incredibly comforting. And the fourth benefit of smoky quartz, and this is a unique one, it stands out, is that it's much gentler than other black gemstones. And many people have told me that they don't like working with the gemstones because they feel too heavy, too harsh, too overwhelming. And that can be true. Stones like hematite and onyx and obsidian and black tourmaline, they work fast and quickly. And when you're feeling like you need some fast focus, I grab some hematite. When I feel like I need some fast energetic protection or transmutation of those negative energies, then I do grab like obsidian or black tourmaline, because those are things I want to work fast. But smoky quartz is much gentler. It's much softer. It does all of the same things as black tourmaline, but it's softer and slower. You can carry it with you all day long without feeling overwhelmed. It will help bring you to focus in a really gradual manner rather than quick and swift like hematite. So if you feel like you need a stone that helps support your foot and root chakras, or helps bring you grounding and protection, or protection from negative energies, but the other black stones just feel overwhelming in particular, then smoky quartz, Apache tear is another one, then smoky quartz is the way to go. Like, look the difference here. Like, the darker smoky quartz will work a little faster. The lighter smoky quartz will work even gentler than that. So that is, unique to, like I said, smoky quartz and Apache tears, is that they provide those benefits of black gemstones without the heaviness and swiftness of it. So thank you so much for joining me today, because smoky quartz is a stone that I've wanted to cover for quite some time. It really is unique amongst those black stones, as it will hold you and protect you and help you feel safe without feeling like this really strong presence with you. It's more like a weighted blanket than it is like a really drastic shield in front of you. So if you did find the qualities of smoky gemstone useful and you may want to work with it some more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with smoky quartz. And you don't need a piece of the stone to benefit from the guided meditation, because you can always picture it in your mind. And if any of the topics that we discussed today or any of the prompts during the guided meditation speak to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some of the stone and work with it some more. If you're new to the channel, then I post about a new gemstone every single week, and I post a guided meditation every single Saturday. So if you're interested in learning about a wide variety of gemstones and how you can incorporate them into your everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.